Today I'm cooking the all-time favorite Thai signature dish, Tom Yum Kung or Tom Yum Prawns. This recipe is for 4 to 5 servings. The ingredients needed are 500 grams of fresh medium-sized prawn, wash, clean, and devein. Click the see more links on how to prepare them. 3 tablespoons of Tom Yum paste. I am using the Tepi brands from Thailand. This is what it looks like. 30 ml of evaporated milk, optional. These are the herbs for the soup. 6 pieces of shallots, cut into half. 5 cloves of garlic, cut into half. 6 pieces of kaffir lime leaves. 2 cilantro roots. 1 inch nub of yang galangal, cut into slices. 2 stalk of lemongrass, cut half and smash. 130 grams of oyster mushroom, optional. Any type of mushroom or vegetable can be used as well. 1 liter of water. 2 stalk of parsley, cut into 1 inch length. 2 stalk of spring onions, cut into 1 inch length. 10 pieces of green bird eye chili, cut some into half. 5 pieces of red bird eye chili, cut some into half. 2 tomatoes, cut into wedges. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. 1 tablespoon of sugar, and half tablespoon of lime juice or a quarter lime. The full list of the ingredients and the measurements are in the see more link. Start with marinating the prawns. Add 3/4 teaspoon of salt and rub it on the prawns. Please be careful when doing this, as the prawn shells are sharp and it can injure the fingers. Alright, it is done. Leave it aside. Next, cook the soup. Switch on the heat. Add in 1 liter of water. Add in all the herbs for soup. The cut green bird eye chili. And cut red bird eye chili. These cut chilies will release more heat to the soup. Add in the balance of the salt. Give it a stir. Add in about 3 tablespoons of Tom Yum paste. Stir until dissolved in the soup. Cover the pot and bring it to boil. After 3 minutes, the soup is boiling. Continue to boil for another 2 minutes for the herbs to release their aroma. After 2 minutes, the soup is boiling vigorously. Open the lid. Oh wow, the smell of Thai herbs is so lovely. Add in the oyster mushroom. Wash it just before adding to the pot and squeeze out all the water. Tomato, sugar, fish sauce, red bird eye chili, the green bird eye chili, and the spring onions white stems. Give it a stir. Wait for 1 minute for the soup to come to a boil again. The soup is boiling again. Now add in the prawns. Prawns cook really fast. Once the color changes to orange, it should be cooked. This takes less than a minute. Now I can give it a taste. Oh wow, so good! More seasoning can be added as preferred, but for this, it's already delicious. Next, add in the spring onions and the parsley. Switch off the heat, stir to mix. Such a lovely fragrance of the Tom Yum soup. Rest the soup for about 1 to 2 minutes to cool it down a little. Add in the lime juice and the evaporated milk. I don't recommend adding the lime juice and evaporated milk in the soup when it's very hot to prevent the lime from becoming bitter and curding the milk. Alright, the simple Tom Yum prawns are ready to be served. Let's eat! Oh wow, really good! The prawns are fresh and very sweet. The soup is sour, sweet, salty, and spicy, with the lovely fragrance of all the Thai herbs combined. Delicious and very savory. So nostalgic. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye bye.